Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning NFC on and preparing what you will tap. On Android, open Settings Connections and enable NFC. On iPhone, make sure your model supports contactless functions. Once done, update your OS if prompted so compatibility is solid. Make sure the phone is unlocked and the target tag or payment app is ready. This prevents interruptions and speeds testing. You're now ready to attempt the first tap and verify the phone detects a tag or shows the payment prompt. You need to position the antenna and run the app that handles the NFC action. Find the phone's NFC spot, often the back center, and place the tag within 1 to 2 centimeters. Then open the payment wallet or an NFC writer/reader app, choose the specific action, and grant any permission prompts. Keep the devices steady. You'll often feel a vibration or hear a sound, and an on-screen notification confirms success. If writing data, wait for the app to report completion before separating the devices. You finish by confirming the intended outcome and securing the setup. Check the payment receipt or open the tag reading app to verify data was written or read correctly. Then adjust lock screen and app permissions so accidental taps won't trigger actions. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Toggle NFC off and on, then restart the phone. This often resets the radio and resolves detection issues. If problems persist, move to a different tag or app to isolate hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.